You seem like a nice lady. Don't you ever feel guilty?
No. Yes, all right. Yes, I feel guilty all the time.
You still mad about Laura? Party's a success. Kids are having a great time. We're drinking margaritas. What's not to likey?
You know what? You're right. I won. Laura and her stuck-up posse thought her kids weren't safe at my house. I've shown them the best time they're gonna have all year.
Gabby.
I know they're loud. Kids, adults talking!
No, I think that there's a problem. MJ? MJ, what's going on?
The monkey's killing the clown.
I've got to get my tranquilizer gun. I told you he needed a nap. He was already on edge, and then that damn clown popped a balloon in his face.
Laura, I was here every minute. It's not my fault they sent us a homicidal monkey. Well, and the important part is the kids had a good time and created lifelong memories.